coefficient, utilize. Up, down, where you go, the seed bag, utilize. Real thing.
Ovaries too?
Yeah, man, and the ovaries too.
Okay.
You have the seed bag up here.
Okay,
That's why
okay.
the egg dispatch,
Okay.
the whole thing.
I don't want to leave out the woman, you know.
You can never do that. You can never do that. Just I speak in reference to I and myself.
Okay.
So we have to have the balance of the female because she can more speak on her behalf. I can speak yes, I want to study from her where I observe, but I really want to know because I don't know the truth. But I realize that through that now, because of the information I travel up and down, you create through ancestral DNA and through present information where you create. So your creation is far more ancestral than you have within you a solid foundation of you.
Yes. Yes.
So sometimes that them even more solid than you with the foundation where you put within them when them come forward. And them have the youth of all that foundation of verse within them.
Yeah.
You know? So you just get nurturing. It's the nurturing of that. What we need. Nurture. Make them aware of themselves. Some parents tend to fight with them youth because they must see themselves. So the acceptance and the reality start to clash. And then we realize that through the centuries we have been creating ourselves and creating information in which we want to bring forward through just observation. Everything we do. It's part of this problem. So it's just knowledge is power. Funny enough, you come with this knowledge, we are talking about this with some ones today. A big man just stop on my foot and just tell me I'm holy for things. Like him get the industry obligated to share him life with I.
Yeah.
And I see him thing where I come forward and I talk about about the whole knowledge and the whole Garvey. Marcus Garvey I talk about and I say a nation rules. If them uneducated, them who are Garvey, them will perish. And them have no knowledge or nothing. You know what I mean? Them are going from belief system rather than knowing what's really going on. Knowing how to access certain things. You know? So I think kind of destroy the youth, the lack of knowledge. Like I said, the lack of knowledge my people shall perish. And we see our generation are perish for true because them lack knowledge of self. They don't know where them are go. You know? Like if you don't know yourself, the tree never know well. It's hard to compare when man they know to even nature. Yes, so how far man gone. Man has been far gone from nature that it's hard for you even rig up a comparison because man goes so far. Goes so far from himself. So the apple will fall far from the tree and then you tell a man that it's still a wonder what you mean with the youth when bring forth. Still not accept when bring it. I
love the meditation, brother. How month you born? October. But I look like you hide from the world, and I see like when I come, you look like you don't want the world to see your face. You sure say you're cleaning at the place?
I love my brother. You want me every time.
Lovely food. Well, I want to the part where that's passing through me with as many as I can, so we do it virtually. Via USB, peace be unto you. Keep it in the mountains.
Alright.
Because flesh is weak.
Yeah, man is weak.
Man is weak. But the machine is even stronger than man.
The machine, I'm not able to carry it over. but still, them me think say the body
is a machine.
Naturally, man. When a machine is just a mechanism.
Yeah.
You know, if you look on the root word, you know, that's the root word of things, you know.
Yeah.
Like
Etymology.
Yeah, man. In a certain nations, a one word describe many things. In an English language, you have many words describe one thing. So you can see the deception within the word sound and the language you speak. So it creates diversification of the mind. So then here you can tell that from just analyzing the word sound. A nation will come and say, I don't understand what you mean by that. Then you give him the word and he said, oh, it's the same thing. We only have one word that describes all of this. So you reason with a local now, one might say, oh, I know that mean, but that's the same word. It mean the same thing, but then them say, oh, the context in which you use it, so it creates confusion. So, to me, machine and man is a mechanism same way. That's why you can buy the bitters and it go within your body and you don't have to tell it where you want it to go. That's why a man can blaze up in herb. You not say herb goes in a meditation. No, the herb attached to where it is, because me and the herb is one. We are one with everything. So everything have its connection into I. So there's no way man can, the machine is not greater than I. That's why I said the information go up and down our spinal cord, which is the knowledge. The knowledge come down to our youth. It's how now I nurture it. Because remember, I know, when you plant that knowledge same way within your wife, separate womb. How we together now nurture that seed is how it comes forward. And when it forward, how we nurture it and it build it up to become the knowledge that we embed in our youth. So then we now can see the machine and we use them and live up in the fullness.
The program.
You know? Yeah, man, in the program when we set it. We set it enough. And we set it enough for ourselves and we use it enough. But if we walk up and we don't realize, so we are code ourselves each day. By observation, sense of smell, sense of taste, appetite. You know, then enough mothers may come and then youth come and then youth are yearn for something where they did feed up them flesh from how long. I wonder how is it that the hormones now, because the youth are require some things so you never have to know how long now. I wonder where this come from within you. So see, we are the greatest machine ever made. You know, greatest ever made. That's what I believe. But that system now, that system can host knowledge for a while. But I don't believe they are the greatest invention. You don't think so? Like the machine, like your phone and so. I don't think so. Kind of take away from lifespan. Take away from the years of human existence.
Okay.
The way how it is made now, probably. Maybe there's a safer way to make it. But the way how I think it is designed and made now, it take a lot from us.
Okay.
Take life.
Wow. Deep reasoning at proper spice to the world. What the iron name?
Iron.
Iron.
Ras iron.
Rust iron.
Yes, sir. Hard and tough, you know?
Hard as iron. I see the fruits, people. Good reasoning. When I don't come proper spice, you know. I feel a reasoning, you know. But the place nice, man. You must say right from the airport, you know, people. Right? And just Google proper spice. Now, Ian, you love this place. What other places in Mobile like this where you love? Like for your vibe, your energy, your food?
In terms of the consume?
Yeah.
Be honest with you. Be honest with you. You want to get everything where me really consume my ears and proper stuff.
Gotcha. Every day? How often?
Not really every day. Sometimes I make my own food. So most time I carry my food.
Do you use salt?
If me do salt, the pink salt.
Okay. Himalayan.
Yeah, the Himalayan, me use the Himalayan. Now go say, and there sometimes we don't use none either. Okay, you know, through studies them say you need a little bit certain things, iodine or whatever within your body system. So we understand, say, when you study yourself, you understand how you eat.
And the strength of you becoming what you are, coming and define what you are.
Yeah.
But for the strength of what you are now, what made you become that? What was the path? What triggered?
What triggered it? I can't say it was a lifelong thing, but trigger is just life experience itself. Life experience trigger does the transformation in its fullest form to me. I was always there, but never fully accepting of what the reality was until you have some experience to really the spirit kind of tell us, hey, this is it. Now is the time for this change. Now is the time for that. I remember we just read about different realms of operating. So you know the spiritual realm guide you as well as your physical lust for the mediocre world. So then everything comes through just the awareness there.
You know, so when you lick the fly, them actually get upset.
You know, man.
You know, so I mean, I lick them. Them just see me and just say, yo, run where I go, and I say, easy, me eat my food, watch yourself. And I talk to them and I say, watch yourself.
Sure,
if you touch this is a problem, I'm saying, all right, we just pass through.
No, I really think there's moments when I'm not doing it. Not reasonable, just don't want them.
No, you know what I'm saying? So I asked about the immune system. Whatever it is, the body must be able to deal with it. And that's why you must expose yourself to whatever. Because you never know if a fly protect you from something that the future will happen to you because your body did fight with the fly, did touch you and give you. And that alone save your life. And you not even know, say, that is the fly.
Because of bacteria.
My teacher youth, I say, yo, the mosquito is the biggest nurse for mankind. I'm of the eagle.
I'm the only thing to
I'm check you know.
When that play earlier, I saw that been up in the
put on the mask, you know.
Atmosphere, you know. And I born within the waters before I have all of the chemical imbalance in my head. So and I have the immunity of that. So when me come touch you now, it's because me did born in the infested waters. So I now become what is it that was in the air and everything. So I understand why I say fully. Fully, because there's only way you could have born from it is if it exists within the atmosphere. Born from the water, you know. So
it's, you know, your energy transferred to younger youths. Do you help them? Do you have a community? Is there something you do where you mentor them for calm and vibration?
Well,
are you here in Mobile? Do you help them with the crime element of their mind?
Well, I work on it. So I do it every day. Because every day spirit lead your way for me. Just like right now, as we tell her, we did have a conversation about this prayer. I would come forward again and you say, Marcus Garvey world. And I speak about Marcus Garvey from this rising.
Yes, sir.
So that to show you, say, all of this fullness is a part of the motion.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm working on it. It is happening. Wherever I work on the youths, their mentality. Because I realize I have that spirit within me.
Calmness.
Yeah, we can calm that down.
Yeah.
That I realize. My spirit, in my spirit.
Calm.
It's like a...
Bond with it.
Yeah, man.
Yes, my king.
In bond.
You know, so you never introduce yourself. So if Queen Elizabeth came here, you would talk to her and say, how you doing, Queen? What if I am the Queen's brother? And you never did know. Man, Queen Elizabeth, a brother and sister. I'm just kidding. But anytime you see a human being, make sure you heal them up.
Acknowledge.
Because I see the stone around your neck, you know. Think something I watch here, you know.
Yeah, man. You're right, man. It's just levels of respect. And we lose it because fear.
We go to Africa, we say even the Jamaicans have lost their honor. It's not even love, you know. It's honor. You say honor? Is that thing, man, it go far. Honor. Just when you pass the flowers and you honor it. The food you honor. You know if you love the flowers, you just honor the... So just each other.
Food, you know.
Just honor it, you know.
Honor, you know. It's like, yeah, give you respect for where it's coming from, you know. Because every part of it now come inside of you and go where it's supposed to go and it manifests where it's supposed to manifest.
Yeah.
Because we and it is one.
Yeah.
You know? There's no difference in it. So you pick up flowers, you eat it, you know, you honor it and show it respect, you give thanks for nature, the earth within itself.
Yeah.
But most of the people moving from the earth, they're more worldly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
People,
Oh, yeah.
the energy and must be a flanker with them, you would never think a flanker so anchored. A flanker with them people. And the way the thing anchor around you saying a flanker. Them people are going to conquer. You see what I say? Up on the vibe, man. At Jamaica, where they are? A flanker with them seminar for forward.
Where they are them far from?
Well, many places. From Botswana, Cape Town, New York, Brooklyn, Vancouver, Miami, Manchester, near Christiana Foundation, up in the mountains. So my foundation is in the mountains.
Yeah, I come from Manchester.
Manchester.
Get me far from. Wonderful.
Ah, see the synchronicity.
Everything, nothing. You see, because growing up, you see things, dream things, spirit talk.
Feel it.
Feel it, and spirit talk and tell me things.
Feel it. And the elders them just touch you and
Yeah,
everything
man,
coming at you.
Everything coming at you, and you see some young people looking at them, and
Manchester,
everything.
oh my God, Manchester for man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
where I start. In Manchester, there goes a heart.
Yeah,
And
man.
there's some Marcus Garvey resource. You ever been to Resource Manchester? All right, you need to go. 1929, that's where Marcus Garvey built the first second Liberty Hall from New York. You will see him statue in Manchester. He never tell me, and I really sentence him to the movement of Manchester. In the chest of a man, there goes a heart. In Manchester is where I start. That's a division I'm going to get.
Yeah.
And then I go find him and rub him med. Basic school in Bine in 1929.
Really?
Yeah, man. 1929.
Yeah.
And that's how we start with the movement. You see me? So 1929. At Deso. And a Central at the foundation at Manchester. So you go resource hall Manchester? Yeah, man. It's a Jamaica, good life. So them are trained to be soldiers? Are they from the neighborhood? Okay. So them young, how what are yeah? So proper spice. Why we can't get our youth them for that? Me I know can create a little army too. Our youth them. Our ghetto youth them.
Yeah man, them can do it and do it more militant too.
We don't have to go do it too. Cause if them can do them thing, why we can't do it?
Because we are sovereign youth, we supposed to can do what we are doing.
Okay.
Yeah. So me I say, we supposed to can do it brother Randy with ease.
Alright. We're gonna take our time.
I say, they say a nation within a nation, you know. So if we can do it, because we have a nation within a nation, we have our own army, we have our own fields, we have our own furrows. I eat from and I feed the people, them, our own school, our own hospital, no low hospital. That's it. We take care of the people them, and do the right thing. So me I say, yeah, but we don't really, and to become of it, don't really with them fear do them thing either, brother. You see for the F to go a bush go plow some soil. You see me I say, I saw if you march out to go till the soil. And that really come around here for. We come around here for till the soil.
Do you have any land anywhere that you want to till? You have any space for plant?
Alright, watch this now. We don't even tell the item. I screech and tell the item. We take 2 weeks off to go rest. And we take a week and plow up 1 acre. And plant 745 root of melon. And 14 dozen okra. So me I say, take 3 days and do that. Plus we have to have other things in the hills to do. Yeah, and we can send you the clippings with the footage and everything. So me I say, I will do the thing, I will do it on a level where we want to share the joy and share the fun and the energy with others so they can come in with them energy and get the more benefit out of the earth. I have to enrich the earth to get something from the earth, you know. I have to put in to get out. You see it? So this is the thing they know, brother Randy. So yeah, I'm going to lead out after just go till Sile. And from till Sile, Babylon get cramped. Babylon burn down. The whole of Rome burn down from where till Sile as the real warrior, the man a share it right way. Trample. Rome economy get licked. And from where I feed myself, clothes and shelter, have to come. Yeah, that's how you think the health and strength, then we get wealth. Yeah, and if we not eat from the field and the furrow, we not say nothing. Nothing we not say.
So one day, I'm going to link you so you have my thing and I want you to bring me, to show me.
On the farm.
Reality is everything.
Reality is everything, uncle. Reality is everything. We raise goat too. Yeah, we have a little goat farm on the side. We have a few little cows same way. We just do what we have to do to survive. To live within nature. And nature live within I. So sometimes when we broke down and we are draw through, nature just build we up forward. You just broke down for say boy, I go rest, you have 30 acres over this stuff to plow. So just hold some fever under your skin and go in one corner and go rest up. Because you don't want to rest up like the ordinary people. take a chill at riverbank or something. I hardcore, so just hold some fever, hold 1 3 days out of fever. And go rest.
I go add you to the generals list.
Yes, man, I love, man.
I go add you, and then what we are going to do is we are going to roll out one day.
We say we're going to do it, man. Everything, man.
Because
action speak louder than word, brother.
reality is everything.
Reality is everything, brother. And we accept change and balance, so reality come within change and balance.
Have to.
Yeah.
Consistent. So no.
And this is the proper spice, man. Hot food to the world.
Love the fire. People, I only place they can get the real fire.
Yeah, man, real fire, man. Blaze it. I always say hot. You see it?
Yes, we say we love the vibe. Love it.
We have spirit.
Yes, sir.
The spirit communicate without.
Jaja, the food. Empty.
That simply means
See the people.
influence of man. You just influence come right.
Love them.
Everything is going to come from the breed. Me and live up right. Our influence and the shape and the movements and we are going to make things happen. Once them operate out of breed, it will bring forth a different lifestyle. Greed is self-destructive. Selfishness.
Greed is self-destructive, selfishness. All right, forward, more. I say something to you. Tell me about the stone. Tell me about the stone. Tell me about the stone.
I don't know about it.
You don't have to try your neck. I don't know about it. Who gave it to you?
No, I made it give me a Rasta lady.
And was it? What? Did you?
He said this year good for radiation.
And from there you wish out where it you feel cool, feel balanced.
Yeah.
Good.
But I remember why it was something.
Are you aware of it? That's what they told us. Are you aware of it? Don't worry. Are you aware of it? Yes. Alright, watch. Look. You see, any the
How old are you?
20.
And what is your dream?
I like the cooking segment.
Love the cooking?
do what you have.
You like the natural thing? Are you helping? How long you been working here?
1 year and a couple months.
So you hold it down.
Yeah.
So you could see yourself a Rasta. What are you? You just an easy youth. I'm up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the hills, Maroon Town where?
Now,
Now wood. So you hear the shots them every day. Not so much. People say Mobby is bad. How do you describe it? I mean, so no come here, no come. When I'm here, Mobby, only if you're not wrongs. And what is your life lesson for the world? If you had to teach all the get you them something, and you are the president, prime minister, you are the guy. Right now, you are the king of China right now, everywhere. What would you say to the ghetto youths and our young youths? Become a leader, become a Garvey right now. Enough pressure, I know you have 1 minute. Cause this might save a whole of them life, you know. I might you. And 1 minute, so take your time. You can even go back on, you know, do what you do, and then when you're ready, all right. You have 5 minutes to give me the 1 minute. You see, I'm gonna put pressure upon them. You say, are you ready for the pressure?
Most times people don't get. Most times people are not placed in situations to think. Most times people think they must think, but them not really think.
Okay.
Are you there say you function?
Yeah.
But them not really access the mind and put it to work. Just like one time in my life, would I say my mind would have make noise, thoughts, all of them things. Until I realized me more in control of my mind than my mind me. So when me there, some supposed to have thoughts that run. You know, it's supposed to be open, supposed to be no present. You're supposed to see everything. If I look a fly past, we can spot it because my eyes them
Your
have
presence.
access to the different realms of lenses. That I only see now one times one, it's times 3, times 4, times 5.
Yeah, sir.
Inside the camera. So then through the focus now you can see all of the lenses in a one breath. Like I want to there, so you there, so you look for the spider and the web and I want to camera. But I say, but the web the right here, so all I do is switch the zoom from my eye and switch the zoom and narrow it down and we can focus.
Yeah, watch your thing. Yeah, watch your thing.
Yeah man, so you realize that do exist. But how many human beings actually practice to operate the focus or the focal lenses of their natural eyes.
Do you sell any product? What is your business?
Yeah, we do steam chalice.
Steam chalice.
Yeah.
Explain that.
We make glass steam chalice. So it's a healthier way of use marijuana and other herbs.
Not even wood.
No, not with wood, glass. But we have bamboo. We have connection to bamboo and coconut.
You have pictures of them on your Instagram?
Yeah.
What is your number?
I'm going to give you my number.
Okay.
It's my number 829-9939.
And what is your Instagram site?
Steam Gene, steam_gene. Instagram.
Nice.
That's the product. And then my personal page is one Livity. _Livity. Yeah.
One which is O-N-E. Okay.
_Livity.
Livity.
With my WhatsApp, you will see my name as EOTO. You know what that means?
E-O-T-O. Explain.
Each one, teach one.
All right.
Garvey, you know? So we have to stick to it, same way as I say. As I say, everything is alignment. So each one teach one. So with steaming now, it's just a healthier way.
Yeah.
We use marijuana rather than burning it. Because we realize that when fire touches any herb, it releases harmful
So do you have your products in Mobile?
yeah, I have the, well, I do it from home. You know, so
Got it. So I need to order something. I need you to teach me.
Yeah, man, definitely.
All right. There's a teacher in everything I seek to learn.
Definitely.
You see me?
Definitely. Within cells.
Yes. I want to learn the best way of doing anything I do.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
So there's a teacher in me and a teacher in you. Each one teach one. I love it. I love the energy you come from Manchester. But I think when me and you meet, hopefully me up in the mountains in Manchester, we have to, in our garments, we have to sit down, and then you go give me I have one already, my chalice, and you will teach me. You see me? You will teach me, and I want you to meet one of my brethren where it has similar frequency to you. Because what we have to try to do is to bring those with similar frequency to build. Because yes, the pyramid was built through us holding our hands around the pyramid to connect our minds to build it. No one man, no do nothing. Right? So whatever nation we are building now, whatever balance we seek to bring to the young youth, then we have to combine, we have to build a team. Yeah. Our words today, hopefully enlighten many, and I love the fact that I meet you. Iron. It's what I say, iron is a good to meet you today. Because I say we pass, food not ready, and I say no, I come back here for the food, 12 o'clock. 12:30 reach, boom, look here. Them teach the world, and them never know what go happen, and they know I can get my chalice. And me so big in the atmosphere, you know. You see when I send you my teaching as a gift, people bring me gifts from all over the world. It transferred to you. Yes, the levels have to get there because it's time. Because the way we're thinking now, yes.
So you have to start with we, you know, because 1,000 year rulership, you know. So if you think about it, you know, we are the ones who are paving the way for the future of what is to be. So that we are doing the groundwork.
We are Selassie.
Yeah.
We are Selassie. Yeah. Do you sell your necklace too?
No, I bought this from my Empress
Wow.
in the States.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You see, enough people wear a necklace, you know, but enough of them no balance.
Yes,
and them no move.
That's right.
Them, you know, a lot of people make jewelry, but the jewelry no function. You know, and even a move with the frequency.
No, because you see, you have to put current in everything you make.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and there's movements in this.
Yeah, man, you see.
Yeah, but we see how it moves.
Yeah, man. It's just the frequency aligned.
I love it.
Yeah, man.
And
It's
she,
electrical current.
and she's in the state? You still
Yeah,
communicate with her?
She stopped me these things.
Yeah, wow.
Like after we bought from her, it's like right away. I don't know what happened if we had the last
Wow.
wires of this style of anchor.
Wow.
Maybe through her journey, I don't know. Can't speak for her behalf. But stop made them like this.
And you still in touch with her?
One of a kind, no, not really.
Oh, wow. Beautiful. Cherish it, man.
Yeah.
If me tell you that, cherish it. Because it has movement.
Yes, never leave. Sensitive to current.
For people who are, let's say, of a different belief system and don't overs why you wear that,
Yes.
can you explain a little bit what does that mean to you?
Well, this.
And what
This in
explain
itself.
to the man that might not overs.
This in itself represents life, you know? So the yank is a true representation of what life is. So it represents the man and the woman balancing. And it represents life within the center. So man and woman come together, you get life. And that's what the yank represents. So we are true respect of male and female principle. This is the yank.
Good.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So where you at, the brother?
Thing good?
Anchor.
Male and female, as the man says it.
This man look like a samurai, you know.
Look like one samurai.
Yeah, like a samurai, you know.
Probably cut from the samurai cloth.
So what is your philosophy on life? Me not record you.
Philosophy? I love, man. Love me preach every day.
Even when the bullets are fly?
Love me preach every day. Because let me tell you something, man. You can't stop what is going to happen to you. All you have to do is just live each day meaningful. Because the fact remains, whether or not you rob, kill or steal, you're going to die. So if you have the option of living good, just good. My principle is feeding my kids. The day I can't feed them is the day I'm sad. The day I'm hungry is nothing to me because my kids is everything. I have a woman at home who, if she gets up tomorrow morning and she's gone, I'm going to miss her. But I will not miss her like I would miss my kids. Because they're a part of me. She was given to me by the law. My kids were given to me by birth, so they're mine. So I don't have nothing to worry about once my kids are okay.
How many kids you have?
Only 4, no more. 4 is good, you know? 4 is for me is the perfect number. I don't need number.
Are they all at home?
Yeah, man, all at home.
One lady.
Well, I met my wife after the first child.
I like the word you say wife. Wife is a powerful word
Yeah, man,
now.
wife, man, legal.
Yeah.
Legal.
Them say black wife matters. And no black life matters,
Black
you know.
wives.
Black wives matters.
Wives, yeah, wives.
Tell them, say Ron, tell them, sir, black wives matter.
Yeah, man.
I hate that. If you can't say wife as a black man, you're rich. There's nothing else in a life that is higher than that.
It's great, man, I tell you.
Black wife matters.
You know, when as a youth, as a youth growing up, I had a picture of what my woman would look like, you know. Brown girl, tall legs, long hair. And then I realized that within a short black girl with short hair, I found all the long hair principles. You understand?
Man wise.
Yeah, it gives you a buzz that the mindset does not change reality.
Yeah.
Because you have a dream to live in a mansion and you want to eat turkey and lamb and everything, but you are still having the reality to live. So that's life. You live reality each day. Dream big, but live small.
It's funny, you like you with a past and people never know, so your levels of...
No, man. For me, 12 minutes from my own, man. I only for years, 27 years experience.
On your own?
For my own.
Explain what that means, reality.
Working for my own money, buying my own food, getting licking on my face by people, getting the street.
Market everything.
Everything. I mean,
In a mobile.
Chilani, Hills, all over. But one thing with Chilani, where I'm from, you would find that even though you're being abused,
Yeah.
the majority is always there to take care of you. So you might not eat no dinner this evening at your house, but you kind of smile about it because you go to the neighbor and
boom.
neighbor have some food for you because you're known as the handyman.
And so you're born at Chilani?
Born and grown at the Hills. Plant
Yo,
yam, yam stick by it.
So near, we up in at the top?
We're Alberton.
Okay.
Good place, man.
Chilani people, them,
love, man.
them different,
Best
you know.
neighbors me ever have in my life.
Chilani.
No, yes.
Hey, no, me not done with you, no, brother.
You got time into the box?
So, brother, me love your reasoning, samurai.
A reality, man.
As a samurai, this, you know, brother. Me see him, you know, brother. Me see things, you know, brother. You see, when you put on one of them outfit there and sit down, so now your strength and your firmness come from where?
People, man.
People.
To be honest with you, it's people.
People give you strength.
People give you strength. Because you see, if you treat a man good, him get to live longer and him get to be more durable. And the more durable people are around you, is the longer you would live. Because you try to better our next man's life. Because the less he wants is the less aggressive he becomes. You don't have a lot to give, but if you give enough, a man will survive.
You hear that, man?
It's iron, Sam, iron.
Yeah, man. Iron sharpened iron. You know,
So,
that's
so,
life.
so,
Cameron,
how old are you, my brother?
39, looking to be 40.
No, what's your name?
Dexter Hudson.
Dexter Hudson.
Yeah, man.
I rate that you 10, I rate to know, you know. But this is a samurai. Him different. You cut from a different cloth, brother. So you know Dexter for a while?
Tell him today, eh?
You know him for a while?
You know, so we not too long meet, it was a couple months. But me tell him even today, saying different. And he have that.
No, me just name the guy. I mean name them now. When me see them, I mean name them now.
You're pinning right now,
I'm not the spiritual one, you know. You soon see who I am now, Dexter. I'm not the spiritual one.
Yeah,
He's a samurai.
I good love, man. Feel the energy. You know?
You see what I'm saying? Let me see him. I saw the just a walk on the place up. And just show up. Yeah, brother, Dexter.
I eat at the tree, you know?
So you hear most time.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna have some eat, man.
Give us your number. We need your number for log on the phone. Me cut it up, but give me your number.
Yeah, brother. 856 95 34.
I go sit down with two and him. I go call the two on
When
right now.
I eat the Babylon food, I have some eat, you know?
When do you have a day off? When you don't have a day off?
Well, Sunday be free though.
Sunday.
Because it is be free on Sunday.
I like what you say. I say, who build you? And you say, people build you.
People build them. People build you and people break you. If a man decides so you're not going to live the next day, you might be poor. I just the mercy I got to carry. You understand?
John. So 12-year-old, I mean, them say the teacher at age 12, what the teacher did do?
Yeah, man. I'm a teacher and preach in the temple.
And you say you're up on your own at 12. So we might found the one here.
Yes, also.
We might have found the one. I know. You hear what the man say? I say, who build you? Him not say the Almighty God or nothing, you know. Because you know him recognize God in a people.
Yeah.
But we are the vessel, you know.
You see that? You see what I'm saying? Because if a man not believe in a God, but the man you say people build me, well, him have a real, he must say something real. You can't deny say what him say. Because a man said nothing no exists, but him say a people build me.
Remember over a year ago in a church?
Be realistic.
Remember over a year ago in a church, a woman sit down and worship and in there a man go kill him. So if that individual chose not to hurt that woman, she'll still be around. So at the end of the day, no matter how much you trust and serve God, Jesus Christ himself was crucified by men. He had the power to stop them, but yet he allowed. But at least he showed us that in spite of his dominance, he showed us the reality of life. You understand? So things will happen. If a man chooses to be good to you, respect it. If he chooses to be bad and you can be less aggressive, it's better for you.
So you read your Bible?
All the while.
All the while? Want my brother to meet you, you know?
Yeah, man. Bring him, come on.
Want him to meet you? My brother is like him. Him discipline, him steady. But more time I have to beat him up, you know. Iron sharp my iron. I love you, man. I love you, genuinely love you as brothers. And we're going to meet again.
Yeah, man.
Because there's things to be talked about. And he's a learner. You see, I love to learn. And the wisdom that you guys have down here, that comes from the sun, the river, the food, the Garveys that we are is because of the land, the equator, where we there. And I not give you the frequency if it make him speak. I'm going to speak. Yes,
man.
the wisdom
I
of
receive.
programming. I know. So, all right.
Make a quick move.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Respect.
Contact with.
Love. All right.
No love, yeah?
Empress.
We meet you again.
Yeah, we see me on the street, man. Easy to find.
Next time.
Yeah, man. Easy to find.
Wow. Proper Spice, Mr. Say I take a vacation.
Yeah, man. The vacation done. Done, uncle.
We want some juice.
Alright, brother.
Jaja.
Vacation over.
Greatest day ever. Yo, you have the energies around you, and
Yeah, man.
I just love say you're alive.
Yeah.
And I wish you long, extremely infinite life.
Yeah,
Of
man.
all things.
We have melon too.
Alright, please. Alright, my brother.
Dumpling and melon, is it?
That's it. People, please give them the number slowly. Cause every time people give out the number,
Yeah.
Babylon hear it, the algorithm, and that's why it's enough views. Because anytime we promote with people,
Yeah.
them say, no, don't do that. The computer shut it down. And so most of my videos, them when people say them number, they don't want to go out there.
Okay.
Free promotion, and we have said the right thing.
Free,
'Cause
original,
remember when
official.
we label the video, best food in Jamaica, they don't want that say I tell if we go out there. So every Jamaican cook the cookery and
Yeah.
the effery and
Yeah.
I kill the people them. So when we say no, this is the place for life, them not gonna push good.
Yeah, man, a life over there to say, man, a proper spice, man. That's how we do the thing, you know. See there, you know. Mother, father, and child, you know. Upon the shoulders, you know. Life, you know. You see it? Yeah, so what we are dealing with now, a reality. We ancestor them.
Nice,
Them we are dealing with.
nice,
See it there? Yeah.
nice,
That we are dealing with.
yes. No,
Sun, moon, and star in a one, everything. Iration.
I know say every time I push out your video, them push yo, you know see it?
I see what go on, man. But you know, them can't stop life because life over death, we say. And we say life with infinity. Life with change and balance.
Did you see the full video when me there teach them in the mountains?
You know, say me not touch your light, but me touch some light. Yeah, man, but me gonna finish up
Did
the
you
thing, man, just
did
timing.
alright. In
Just
time.
timing.
Yes.
Yeah, man, as we tell you, I just more love, man, and a proper spice, as we tell you, you see it. At it again, just come off a vacation. Even though we do the acres, we not run down the papers, we burn the haters. You see me, I say?
Slow down and
We
give
say
them the
hot food.
numbers.
Yeah, man.
Slow down and give them the numbers.
Yeah, man, a flank as we think there, right on the front. Proper spice, telephone number 365-6679. That's 365-6679. Love life.
And live.
Live.
Peace and
Alright.
alright.
Peace and love.